Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. I share with you in this video how to prepare canned mushrooms and how to make a wonderful mushroom salad. There are more than 7 kilograms of mushrooms here. Necessary materials: glass jar, wheat flour. You can use lemon juice or, to be cheaper, a lemon-flavored sauce produced under the stairs, chemical lemon powder, salt. Add the mushrooms in a deep bowl. Add flour. We add flour so that it does not darken, and after washing there will be more white mushrooms. Bouncing and mixing mushrooms. Mushrooms will be covered with flour. Now wash the mushrooms with cold water, but you have to rub them gently with your hands while washing them. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. Add the mushrooms to the strainer. In this way, there will be very little flour on the mushrooms and canned water can be in a thick form. After draining a little water, add the mushrooms to the pot. 1 real lemon juice. Lemon salt. One spoon of salt. 1 liter of lemon juice. Do not add any water, the mushroom will release its own juice. Boil it in this way for 15 minutes. Boil the jars. Add the caps to the boiling water. Jars and lids should be washed. Especially glass jars should be sterilized by boiling for 15 to 20 minutes before use. While the jars can be used after washing 2 to 3 times, it is necessary to use the lids only once. As you can see, the mushroom left its juice like this after 10 minutes. It will be enough after boiling for a maximum of 20 minutes. Add the mushrooms before the mushrooms get cold and the cans never cool. Adjust the water rate. Use fabric cloth to close the covers. Very hot, close the lid, tighten it well and turn it upside down. Let it stay like this for 1 day. Here is the canned food I made before. Now I will make a simple but very tasty mushroom salad that can find a place on your table. Materials can be changed and further diversified. I drained the mushroom and now I'm on the chopping process. Finely chop the mushrooms. Add it in a bowl and add the lemon juice so that it does not darken. Canned red pepper. Pickled cucumber. Onion sprouts. Chop some pickled hot peppers and add boiled corn and some water. Garlic will be crushed. A little pepper juice is not bitter. Add a little oil. If you need, you can add olive oil, coriander, powdered ginger, parsley, boiled wheat, salt, pomegranate syrup. Mushroom salad ready. You can keep it cold in the fridge for a few days. The image is wonderful, colorful, and I think it is suitable for those who are on a diet. Let me taste it. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.